Right? You can file this under news nobody is surprised about. A Florida judge has tossed a $15 billion lawsuit that Trump had filed against the New York Times for defamation. And we all knew it was going to be tossed out because, number one, it was about as legally rooted as a preschool boy going to his teacher telling him that another boy hurt his feelings. And number two, because whenever a lawsuit demands $15 billion in damages, it's going to be presumed to be unfounded, and then we go from there. But the interesting thing is that the judge, in giving the Trump team 28 days to refile the lawsuit, gave them a little bit of guidelines. And he basically said, number one, be concise. If you refile, the next filing must be maximum 40 pages. And number two, to use the judge's own word, be dignified. Do not treat the filing as if it were a speech at a political rally, essentially. And to give you a measure for what the judge actually meant, I'll give you a phrase from the previous lawsuit, the one that just got tossed out, which said that Trump had a reason to be upset at the author of the book that caused the lawsuit because the book spoke poorly of Trump, even though, and here I quote the lawsuit, at and prior to the time of publications, defendants knew that President Trump was already a mega celebrity. Those are the words of the lawsuit, and an enormous success in business. This is what the lawsuit actually said, verbatim. And then they asked for $15 billion for this. I'll be honest, I'm looking forward to the next filing because it's going to be very interesting.